Hey, what's up everybody, SMK here, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you some new stuff. So welcome back to another video. I got two new things that you guys are probably gonna think is pretty cool. I got a plushie and I got something else that you guys will find out in a minute. So first we got Morty. I got Morty, the plushie from Rick and Morty, Futurama. If any of you guys watch that show, I don't, but I'm just saying I know. I used to watch it, but I don't anymore. So yeah, this is Morty, he's a ragdoll kind of thingamajig. Well, he's not really a ragdoll. He's just going to be in some of my videos. Pretty simple, pretty cool, and so I like him. It's just like, hey, I'm Morty, what's up? Well, I don't know. His eyes are so big. So yeah. Next, guys, we've got the fidget cube. Oh my gosh, we got the fidget cube. So, this fidget cube is awesome. Some people say this switch is in there a little bit too much, but this is, and I don't know why this thing is so high up. Usually the ones that you usually get are like down all the way down there. But here's the joystick, here's the buttons. I made a video just like this, and I added some music onto it, but for some reason it didn't work. So, and then you got this. These two don't click. Well, they kind of do if you put it close. You can hear them kind of click. So yeah, these don't click that much, and then these do. This one swirls around. You can if it will move. Sometimes it doesn't move. But yeah, so that, and then this thing, ball moves around. These things click or move around. And then that's pretty much it. Switch is my favorite because I just like. Also, I like doing this. See, you can if you push this all the way to this and a little bit more. So you get that click, and I like the clicks. I use this, make rhythm, and you can also make rhythm, dun 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 dun, something, I'm just making up something, but actually I'm not. That's the real song. But I mean, look at it. Like and subscribe for more.